Also, I'm sorry for bad quality. I was making a Pop Tart. I put it in for a minute because I have no idea, like how long you supposed to put it for. It starts burning, bro. No, look at that. It smells horrendous. Oh, look at that. Look at the. See it? Look at so crusty. It looks so crusty. Oh my god. Especially when it was like first coming out of the when I first when it was done microwaving and I took that out, it was smoking like all over. It was so bad. It smells so bad though. Like I can smell it from here, man. I can Yeah, I can smell it from here. You smell like a public toilet. Oh my god. Anyway, bye y'all. I just wanted to do something like that. Bye y'all.